Hey, welcome back to the channel. I've got something really exciting to share with you today, especially if you've ever wanted to create high-quality videos but felt overwhelmed by the whole process. You know what I mean. Coming up with ideas, writing scripts, editing visuals, doing voiceovers, adding music, and trying to make it all look professional. Honestly, it used to feel like you needed a whole production team, expensive gear, and hours of time just to create a single decent video. That's why I was really curious when I came across this tool called Vidatia. I'd been seeing a few people talk about it online, and they were saying some pretty bold things, like how it could help you make stunning videos in minutes without needing any editing skills or even stepping in front of a camera. Naturally, I had to try it out myself, and after spending some time with it, I'm here to share my honest experience. So, what exactly is Vidatia? In simple terms, it's an AI-powered desktop app that helps you create professional-level videos with just a few clicks. It handles nearly every part of the video creation process for you. I'm talking about writing scripts, generating visuals, adding animations, voiceovers, background music, the whole thing. And it does it fast. You can go from a simple idea to a fully polished video that looks like a team of pros made it, all without needing to film anything yourself. When I first opened Vidatia, I was impressed with how clean and intuitive everything looked. You're guided through each step, so there's no guesswork. I started by typing in a rough idea for a motivational video, and within seconds, Vidatia had generated a full script for me. The cool part? It didn't feel robotic or generic. It actually sounded like something I would write myself, focused, clear, and engaging. Once the script was ready, I picked the visual style I wanted. This is one of my favorite things about the app. It supports all kinds of visual aesthetics. Whether you like realistic scenes, animated characters, cartoon styles, or even pixel art, you can choose whatever fits your vision. For my video, I went with a clean animated style that really worked well with the voiceover. Speaking of voiceovers, Vidatia uses premium AI voices that sound incredibly lifelike. There's a wide variety of tones and accents to choose from, and they've even integrated with 11 Labs if you want to clone your own voice. I stuck with one of the built-in voices, and honestly, I was surprised at how natural and expressive it sounded. No robotic vibes at all. You also get access to a big music library with royalty-free tracks that match the mood of your video. Or you can upload your own if you prefer. I found something calm and motivational that worked perfectly with the theme I was going for. One of the best things about Vidatia is how flexible it is. You can create short-form videos for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, but you can also make long-form educational content, sales videos, narration-style videos, explainer clips, or anything in between. Whether you're a content creator, coach, marketer, or total beginner, this tool meets you where you are. It's especially great if you don't want to show your face on camera. Faceless videos are super popular right now, and Vidatia lets you create them effortlessly. Just bring your ideas and let the AI do the work. This makes it perfect for building faceless YouTube channels, creating product promos, or even producing engaging children's stories. There's also a built-in tool that helps you rank better on YouTube by optimizing your video for search, which is a huge bonus if you're trying to grow a channel or business. I used it on one of my test uploads, and it definitely helped me get more views right away. What really stood out to me is how much time and stress this saves. Instead of spending hours bouncing between different tools, I could do everything right inside Vidatia. And the final result? It looked and sounded like I had an entire team behind me, but it was just me, my laptop, and this software. If you've been on the fence about creating video content because of the technical stuff or time commitment, I really think Vidatia is worth a try. It's powerful, beginner-friendly, and it actually delivers on its promises. Plus, there's a money-back guarantee, so you can try it out with zero risk. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what kind of video you'd create with Vidatia. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.